Ever heard of DINO Coins? They're not just cute, they're a whole new way to think about crypto. Imagine dinosaurs, but instead of roaring, they're trading digital assets. DINO Coins are a playful take on cryptocurrency, combining fun and finance. Each coin represents a unique dino character, making investing a bit more exciting. You can collect, trade, and even use them in games. It's like a Jurassic Park for your wallet. So if you're into crypto and love dinosaurs, this is for you. Join the Dino revolution and start your collection today. Who knew investing could be this much fun? The term DINO Coins refers to older cryptocurrencies that launched in the early days of the industry and still trade today. Like the dinosaurs of prehistoric times, these crypto assets have survived multiple market cycles and everything short of a direct asteroid hit. These dependable tokens benefit from long-established communities and a proven legacy. DINO Coins still matter now because interest in time-tested cryptocurrencies tends to spike when markets rotate out of high-risk speculation phases and back toward assets with staying power. As newer chains struggle with scaling bottlenecks, gee-whiz tech that doesn't always work as advertised, short-lived hype, and regulatory concerns, many traders choose to revisit older networks that have already proven they can survive crypto's darkest days. The recent uptick in volume on several legacy chains shows that investors are paying attention to the classics again. In this guide, we'll break down what qualifies a coin as a dinosaur crypto coin, why some of these older assets are experiencing a resurgence, and which projects remain relevant today. We'll also look at risks, market narratives, and what sets a true DINO coin apart from dead or abandoned chains. While there's some debate on what a DINO coin really is, most of us agree it's about those older, established cryptocurrencies. You know, the ones that have been around long enough to feel ancient in the fast-paced crypto world. These projects launched early and have survived multiple market cycles, which is no small feat. Yet they still have communities of true believers, even in an industry known for its short attention span. Think of XRP, Monero, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. These OG coins just refuse to die. Some folks call them Dino alts or crypto dinosaurs. It's all about those legacy coins that keep pushing forward year after year. What qualifies as a dinosaur crypto? It's more than just being old, it's about surviving the test of time. First up is timing. These coins launched early, often before the 2017 bull run. If they have made it through a decade of change, they have earned some serious street cred. Next is endurance. DINO Coins have weathered multiple market cycles and still stand strong. They have survived crashes, delistings, and enough FUD to sink most projects. If a coin has thrived through crypto's wild years, it deserves a spot in history. Finally, there's market recognition. A true dinosaur crypto still has adoption and name recognition. Coins like Litecoin and Monero are still used in niche communities today. These are the names people remember, with active trading and loyal followers. So a dinosaur crypto is one that launched early, survived chaos, and remains relevant today. DINO Coin season, the recent resurgence of dinosaur cryptos. Every few years, the market rediscovers its forgotten heroes and returns them to the spotlight. Traders have a name for this rotation. DINO Coin season. It's a part of the market cycle loosely tied to altcoin season. This is driven by the Bitcoin halving cycle. Arguably, the altcoin season's familiar patterns of outsized profits and spectacular collapses drive investors into the arms of more reliable DINO coins. The recent resurgence of these legacy projects has a few drivers, beginning with simple fatigue. The wallet-burning effects of rapid-fire meme coins, questionable pre-sales, and revolutionary projects that disappear within months drive investors back to coins with a proven track record. Nostalgia also plays a role. Like a childhood memory, investors remember these coins from crypto's formative years. Buying LTC, XLM, Doge, or ETC feels like an earlier, simpler version of the industry. It's built around experimentation and self-sovereignty rather than hype. This nostalgia can translate into renewed demand when the rest of the market feels fragile. Finally, network effects also provide a solid base for growth when the market returns to these thick-skinned legacy projects. DINO coins already have existing infrastructure rather than relying on white paper promises. New and returning investors are welcomed by ample exchange liquidity, a large number of node operators, a variety of wallets, and a well-established community. Much like how a triceratops differs from a velociraptor, not all dinosaur crypto coins are created equal. They share some similar DNA, but their functions and histories can be quite different. Some coins have been quietly powering transactions for over a decade, away from the spotlight. Meanwhile, others are just now coming back to life as interest cycles back to older networks. Generally, older coins fall into two main groups. The first group includes infrastructure projects that shaped cryptocurrency's early days. These are coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, and even Dogecoin. They still serve real-world use cases today, proving their worth over time. The second group consists of revival projects, often called zombie chains. These coins had their heyday, then stagnated, but are now seeing renewed activity. Projects like Zcash and Dash are prime examples of this resurgence. So, which type of DINO coin are you most interested in? DINO crypto coins can seem like a fun addition to your portfolio, but they come with risks. Older chains might be stuck with outdated code, leading to slow transactions. This can make them vulnerable to attacks like double spending or transaction reordering. Plus, if a network has low hash rate or minimal staking, it's even more at risk. Some early projects are still tangled in legal issues or compliance challenges. And let's not forget, the hype around DINO coins can fade fast. When newer, faster chains come along, they can easily steal the spotlight. In a competitive market, DINO coins might struggle to capture attention and capital.